But in most of the parts of the world where the growth is going to happen in emerging markets is where most of the infrastructure investment is going to go. And infrastructure in transport and energy in particular has the chance of either locking in high carbon economies or making the transition to the low carbon economies of the future. So it's important because it's going to happen anyway. How do we steer the infrastructure investments to deliver the economies of the future? And it's also important, of course, because it's about investment and jobs. And so investment in infrastructure immediately translates into jobs and fiscal revenue, which strengthens the economy. So another reason that businesses are going to continue to act on climate change is because we're seeing industry after industry go through disruptive change. And businesses in those industries need to get ahead of that disruption or lose out on market share for good. A couple of examples. We look at the European electric utilities rapidly moving from fossil fuels to predominantly renewables. Very disruptive. There are winners and there are losers. Dong, formerly Danish oil and natural gas company, now almost exclusively a wind generating power company. If we look at the automotive sector, China, which is rapidly electrifying its vehicle fleet, partly because of climate change, but also because of air pollution, which is affecting its cities, is growing its electric vehicles at 160% a year. So the companies who are manufacturing those cars are going to be making a lot of vehicles and generating a lot of profit in decades to come.